Losing belly fat is a common goal for many people. It's not only about looking good, but also about being healthy. Excess belly fat can lead to serious health problems like diabetes, heart disease, and some types of cancer. To lose belly fat, you need to combine exercise with a healthy diet. Exercise alone can't spot reduce belly fat, but it can help you burn calories and build muscle. A healthy diet with a calorie deficit is essential for weight loss. Here are some effective exercises to help you lose belly fat. 1. Core strengthening exercises. Plank. Hold a plank position for 30 to 60 seconds. Crunches. Lie on your back and lift your shoulders off the ground. Leg raises. Lie on your back and raise your legs straight up. Russian twists. Sit on the floor and twist your torso from side to side. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back and alternate bringing your knees towards your chest. 2. Aerobic exercises. Brisk walking. Walk quickly for 30 minutes, 5 days a week. Jogging or running. Run for 20 to 30 minutes, 3 to 4 days a week. Swimming. Swim for 20 to 30 minutes, 3 to 4 days a week. Cycling. Cycle for 20 to 30 minutes, 3 to 4 days a week. 3. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. Sprints. Run or cycle as fast as you can for 30 seconds, then rest for 30 seconds. Burpees. Do 10 to 15 reps of this full-body exercise. Jump squats. Do 10 to 15 reps of this leg exercise. Mountain climbers. Do 30 seconds of this core exercise. 4. Strength training. Squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and squat down. Lunges. Stand with your feet together and take a big step forward. Deadlifts. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and lift a weight up. Bench press. Lie on a bench and press a weight up. Remember to start slow and increase intensity and duration. Incorporate variety in your routine. Focus on proper form and technique. Combine exercise with a healthy diet. Be patient and consistent. Avoid overexertion and injury, poor form and technique, inconsistent routine, unrealistic expectations. Losing belly fat takes time and effort, but it's worth it. By combining exercise with a healthy diet, you can achieve a stronger, healthier core and reduce your risk of serious health problems. Stay patient, consistent, and celebrate small victories along the way.
Thanks for watching. Please like video and subscribe channel.